Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
I'm going to stand out of the way on this car. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the colors. That's the factory color. The white vinyl top makes it pop. Has a lowered stance. Got the 18-inch billet rally wheels. And guess what's under the hood? A numbers matching original 396 motor, factory air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Got bucket seats with a center console. This car is just stunning. When I seen it, I knew I was buying it. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures top to bottom, and that's where you find price tags on over 200 of the collector cars that we offer for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I also forgot to mention, the body was off the frame and it was given a fantastic restoration. You can eat off the bottom of this car. So the frame and chassis was all taken apart, prepped, painted. The whole front end is all rebuilt. Like I said, it has a lowering springs on it, so it's got a nice stance. But all the steering components, ball joints, bushings, all been replaced. Even in the back, I can see new control arm bushings, new shocks, new springs. You look up at the motor, it's a nice clean motor. The starter looks fresh. The flywheel cover's new. It has the correct screw-on canister oil filter that they had back in '66. It has its original Turbo 400 automatic transmission. The tag is riveted right to the side of it. It's dated 1966. It has its original 12-bolt rear end in the back with a cruising gear. The gas tank is painted glossy. Matter of fact, the whole bottom of the car, clean metal. All the floors and the spot welds and the floors are just beautiful. And I was on the lift. I thought it was painted black, but I think it might be really dark blue, to be honest with you. Looking back at our pictures, I could see some blue highlights. So I think they're dark blue, but they're smooth and glossy. It does have a real nice exhaust, Flowmaster mufflers with some turn-down tips in the back. So underneath the car is really amazing. Brakes were redone. It has drum at all four corners. They work really well. The body's amazing. This thing is straight, I mean laser beam straight, across the hood, the trunk, down the sides, anywhere you look, it's straight. The gaps, square and flush. It's all real nice, all smooth right down to the bottom. No bubbles around the wheel well lips. Down here it's all smooth and slick. And I know the paint's at least 4 years old, and I don't see anything popping or cracking. It is Danube Blue is the code on the tag. It's a nice dark blue, tiny metal flake in it. As it's going around, lights hitting it different ways and making it pop. And it has a clear coat that's polished smooth and slick. I'm looking at the reflection, and it's just like a mirror. Now, you might find a piece of dust or something insignificant, in my opinion, but it's pristine. The trunk fits just as nice as everything else fits. This side is just as nice as the rest of it. My detailer just put some product on here. I think he called it polygraphene or something like that. But anyway, it's supposed to hold up for 2 years. He wanted me to demonstrate. He wanted me to dump water on it. I guess it would just run right off. It was just applied to the paint. The vinyl top, typically I'm not a big fan of vinyl tops. I love it on this car, especially being white. Just adds that pop, and it looks brand new. It's soft. The glass, I was almost going to say it's new glass. It's crystal clear all the way around. The windows fit real nice. The stainless moldings, they're either all new or they've been straightened and polished. A couple very minor dimples right there. The whole front end of the car, the grille, the bumper, it's all shiny and sparkly. I'm sure it's all been redone. All 4 T3 original headlamps. Cross flag emblems new. All these moldings look really nice. The emblems. Bow tie mirrors, they're new. New door handles. The trim on top is nice and straight and shiny. These are metal door edge guards, not the plastic or rubber ones that you stick on there. These are correct factory metal door edge guards. 18-inch billet rally wheels with the small derby cap in the middle, extra wide in back, and they got performance tires on them. Crystal clear window. Inside is real nice. These are not pitted, so all this trim is excellent. The rear bumper, rechromed. The tail lights look original. They're probably a 7 out of a 10. They're very nice, but not new. Has tinted glass, soft gray tinted glass. The door jambs are painted real slick. Weather strips are replaced. So why don't we go inside the car and check out the motor in the trunk compartment as well. Well, I can't resist using my old joke that you can fit a lot of bodies in here. This thing is huge. It's a full-size spare tire. It doesn't even take up any room. But anyway, rock solid, clean, dry metal under this nice carpet mat. It has the cardboard filler panels on the side. Very neatly painted in a gray spatter finish. That tire is new. It's never been used. Nice black rim, and it has the complete jack assembly. Under the trunk lid and the jamb are painted blue real nicely. The weather strip's in excellent shape. So you got a nice, clean, finished trunk. Now let's check out the inside. It's got the mesh speaker tray back there. Now inside the car, down on the floor, it's got nice carpet, reproduction mats in front. Obviously, excuse me, it has bucket seats. They've been reupholstered. The back seat's in excellent shape. The headliner fits tight as a drum. Visors match. It's all in excellent shape. Does have a full set of the original deluxe seat belts. Has the full center console. Now the Caprice was Chevy's top of the line in '66, so it has the extra wood grain trim. And I think the gauges are called the stacked gauges. It has the full set of gauges. And there's a clock in the dash with the quartz movement. It's also a factory AM/FM radio. It did not turn on for me, but it does have it. And inside the glove box, the light works. It's got the pouch with the manuals in there. And overall, the dash area is nice. It's not broken, not beat up. There's a little bit of wear on the paint on the steering wheel and in some other places. So it's just a very nice, unabused dash. Dash pad's in real good shape as well. So inside the car is really great. The door panels are in really nice shape, front and back. At the top right corner of that door panel, it has a hole there. That's because this car used to have a remote mirror. That's where the joystick would be. It does not have that anymore. It has new mirrors on the outside, but they're not remote. And all the way over here on this door panel, there is a little slit on the edge of the door panel that I didn't even catch the first time around. Now why don't we check out the motor? Big block time. This is the original 396, making 325 horsepower. The VIN number on the front of the block matches the car. All the codes, the dates all correspond. It has high performance cast right on the side of the block. And very interesting, this has an extra letter H on the code. This came with a factory Holley intake and Holley carburetor. All stock air cleaner restored with the stickers, stock valve covers, exhaust manifolds. Motors detailed real nice. All the brackets and components are real nice. As a factory air conditioning system, several new parts, updated to 134 Freon. We have spring clamp battery cables, hood insulation, It has power brakes, and it looks like a new booster. It has power steering hidden down there. The squirters are hooked up in this glass bottle. If anyone's wondering, that's for windshield washer concentrate. And we got the horns, and everything just looks proper. The shroud, the hoses, everything's real clean, tidy, nice painted metal surfaces. It's a detailed engine compartment. So there you have it. I don't know what else to tell you. I think the car speaks for itself. This is not just your typical 66 Caprice. This car is amazing. The colors, the wheels, the stance, the big block, the air. I mean, everything about it. Frame off restored. Stunning car. Whoever owns it's going to be very happy that they own it. You're going to get so many compliments. It's going to be ridiculous. I'm around these cars all the time. And again, when I seen this car, I told myself, I'm getting it. It's that simple. It's that type of car. So you can go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to talk to the salesman. I'm giving you my impression of what I just seen in the car. They can also help get this delivered to your driveway no matter where you live. They can get you financing as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you can be noticed when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.